Well, hi, everyone. Today in this dot video, we are going to make these kind of wallpapers dot in the screen. And it is very easy. These are the apps I use. And they do not dot need money to buy them dot in Play Store. Let's get started. Go to Pinterest. Now search dot for doodle. You can also search dot for doodle-related dot to your character's smiley face. Choose an image. And dot download image. Go to 135 if you want to skip this. Go to IBIS comma dot, click on the plus dot and click import picture. Of course, comma dot recommends size.
No, not me. I did it my
Here you go!
way. For what is a man?
Go to if you want to skip. The website. Oh good, it is dot editing time. Go to filters. Click on stroke out
To say the things he truly feels.
It loads to long sad face. Adjusted the dot where you want, greater than.
I took the blows and did it my
This one. Adjusting greater than underscore. Once you are done, click this. Layers. Click the top layer. Click on this. Scroll down and dot find divide. Select the skin of your character. And just paint on dot your character. If your character doesn't look nice, comma dot, try putting the color. This will happen higher to white, black, and black. If you put a bit more of your character's color, like mine is teal dot, it will be red. Reddish. Same for this part, underscore. Images on pin are your .saved Pinterest images. You downloaded. Literally choose. Take an image. If this happens to you, remove the clip. Resize the image. All the way down. Merge the third layer down. Ignore this comma dot, go to 654. Duplicate the character. Lower the opacity dot to 50%. Make it bigger. Just fixing this dot only. Ignore underscore. Click the arrow and save it. The video is supposed to end at 7:48, but here is the step to get the wallpaper. Choose the wallpaper. Your choice. Ta-da! Just choose LOL.